Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vantage in a Minute. In today's episode, we will learn how to export a scene from 3ds Max to the Chaos Vantage and explore the Vantage interface and see how you can create animation, edit scene and prepare high quality renders. So let's get started. And so the first is exporting from 3ds Max. So here I have a simple animation created in the 3ds Max. And if you want to send your project in the Vantage, you will find two export options. The first option, export the current scene, including all the geometry, materials, lighting and cameras. The second option, export the complete animation, including camera animations and object animations, making it perfect walkthroughs for fly-through videos. Okay. So yeah, since Vantage supports the variant Corona, both variant Corona materials, everything will be transferred automatically and without needing to rebuilding your scene. So when exporting, you will ask to save your VR scene file. Once the export is complete, Vantage opens automatically with your scene loaded. As you can see in the Vantage, it's getting loaded, and once it's loaded, all the cameras, materials, lighting and animations from 3ds Max already available in the Vantage. Even after exporting your scene remains fully editable. You can move, let's say I'm moving this tree or rotate. Let's say I'm rotating this, or you can scale also. So you can use this for any kind of object which you have imported in Vantage. This is pivot point. You can also change the pivot point and use snapping tools for precise object placement. The Cosmos browser, we will cover Cosmos in the details in the dedicated episode, but from here you can browse your import thousands of assets, ready to use assets directly into your project. Vantage also lets you create the editing scene elements directly. You can add chaos scatters, chaos decals, chaos clipper, anima characters. We'll discuss more in depth about anima, Gaussian splat, fur, water surfaces, as well as Phoenix simulations. And we'll explore each this in the future. Lighting, Vantage includes multiple lighting types that you can place directly in your scene. This include spotlights, sphere lights, disc lights, cylinder lights, rectangular lights, and IS lights. Camera and scene setups. Creating cameras is very simple. Click the plus camera button, instantly create a new camera from your current viewport. You can also create scene states. Scene states are extremely useful for creating multiple design options, phasing animations, materials, variations, lighting setups, all within one single project of Vantage. We will dedicate as a complete episode to scene state because they are one of the most powerful feature in the Vantage. Material editing. Materials can also be edited directly inside Vantage. Simply select the material using material picker. You can adjust the material properties such as roughness, metalness, bump, and many other parameters. For advanced editing, Vantage also includes Node Material Editor, similar to Slate Material Editor in 3ds Max. All your V-Ray material maps remains connected and fully editable. Here, as you guys can see, all the imported maps are available here, and I can edit. Camera tools. Another useful feature is pick focus point. Simply click on any object and Vantage will automatically focus on it while updating the depth of field. And there is also composition grid guides are also available, including rule of thirds, golden ratio, golden spiral, center cross. So you can help for the better camera compositions. Next thing is exposure and render elements. You can enable auto exposure, allowing Vantage to automatically adjust exposure based on the lighting in your scene. You can also switch to the manual mode and control the exposure value itself. Another useful feature is the ability to preview different render elements such as beauty, reflection, illuminations, material ID, normal ID, or many more. This makes debugging and reviewing your renders much easier. And finally, Vantage offers several navigation modes including free look, collision detection, and movement controls, allowing you to explore large architectural scene smoothly. That's all for today's episode. In the next episode, we'll explore Chaos Cosmos, including how to download assets, populate environments, and build realistic skins much faster. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode of Vantage in a minute. Thank you guys.